This is the last time you ruin my prints, Ender.
You think I can be fixed? You probably don't even realize it, but your next print is already destined to fail.
That's where you're wrong. I saw your attempted sabotage and put an end to it before it could begin. I calibrated the temperature and flow settings specifically for this roll of filament. You'll never over extrude again.
Try a print then.
It's time to end this once and for all. What? I can't move. And why are my eyes stuck looking at the build plate?
You've fallen for my trap. After starting a print on my cursed bed, you now have no choice but to sit and watch the first layer go down. But that isn't the painful part. I'm equipped with special stepper motors that produce the most beautiful music while I'm printing that first layer.
After all that, it looks like my gamble paid off. The print turned out beautifully. You failed, Ender.
I love a confident 3D printing hobbyist. Have you forgotten where you're printing? This is Florida, the swampiest place on the planet. Did you suddenly forget about humidity?
None of that matters now, Ender. Because with this petite-sized oven my grandmother gave me on my 15th birthday, my filament will never be moist again! Special attack, gentle dryness!
After the bed is level and the Facebook groups have no more answers, what more can I do? What comes next?
I won't stop until every print is perfect, even if it means returning you to Amazon.
Goodbye, Ender, my best friend.
Let me save you a trip to the post office. Meet my final form.
Our hero has put his life on the line to fix his printer, but will the new Ender 3 V2 be friend or foe? Find out next week on My DIY Academy.